I'm Scott McGillivray. Whether you're designing your dream home or replacing old shingles, it's important to consider the big picture. Now, shingles are often an overlooked aspect during the design process. While everyone knows they play a huge role in functionality, they also significantly impact curb appeal and the value of your home. Let me guide you through my design choices using IKO's Dynasty Brownstone shingle color. This is one of my favorite colors for use on anything from vacation properties to urban houses. These shingles offer a warm, neutral look with an urban yet rustic feel, which will complement various styles, appealing to many and enhancing resale value. I've opted for a cream-colored stone exterior, which adds texture and visual interest. These initial choices establish a warm brown and cream tone color palette, guiding decisions like front door selection. Now, this brown wooden door aligns with our palette while also standing out to provide a welcoming feel. Completing the look with cream stone interlock and well-groomed landscaping ties everything together seamlessly.